My name's Paul Hotterbrook. I'm a field service technician at Marine Travelift. We build cranes that take boats out of the water, move them around, and put them back in the water. And we build cranes that work in the industrial side, lifting concrete, steel, whatever you want. I went to NWTC and I did the diesel program, the associate degree, 2 years, and it worked out great. It was a lot of fun. My first choice was I didn't want to travel very far, and this is nice and close to home, so I applied, and it actually took about 2 months before they even got back to me. We work with probably the latest state-of-the-art computer software for heavy equipment and computer programs. I work with big cranes. You're more in my position, you're in charge of what you do and you make sure it gets done. And in a sense, you're your own boss when you're out on the road. Make sure it gets done, the job gets done right, and it gets done in time. I actually go around the United States and the world and assemble the cranes, our gantry cranes, and test them, operate them, and fix them. The biggest challenges that I have ran into are making sure you get to the right place. For me, I haven't traveled that much in my life until now for the last year, and just trying to get to the other side of the United States or trying to go to Amsterdam or wherever, that's a challenge alone, just traveling. Yeah, I've been to Malaysia, the Middle East, Caribbean, all over the United States in just about a year and a half. And for the job part of it, there's a lot of money involved in some of these machines, and if you screw up, people are going to have your, What happens when I'm out on a machine and building the crane, if there are problems, I make note, I write them down, and they come back to the factory, and the engineers, whoever it involves, they fix them so it doesn't happen the next time. The manufacturing industry doesn't mean you're going to be working at an assembly line. You can do what I do. Go over the world, do whatever you want. Work hard and you go places.